Hello there. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the core web development languages. To become a web developer, there are three core languages you need to learn. These languages form the backbone of all websites and web content. These languages are critical skills for any web developer to have. So the languages are HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the language used to structure a web page and its contents. It is not a programming language, rather it is known as a markup language. It is called a markup language because it defines the structure of your content. The next language is called CSS, which stands for Cascading Styles Sheet. It is not a programming language, rather it is known as a styles sheet language. This language lets you apply styles selectively to elements in your HTML documents. CSS is responsible for the presentation of HTML content, how the content is laid out on your web page. The third language is called JavaScript. JavaScript is responsible for creating interaction on your web pages or your web content. It controls how the content behaves. For example, when a user visits your page and interacts with a form or other elements on the page, that is controlled using JavaScript. When you complete a form on a website, that interaction is handled by JavaScript. When you click a button on a website, that is also an interaction created by JavaScript. You can also think of these three languages in terms of parts of the English language. So you can look at HTML as the noun because it defines the structure and contents like paragraphs using the p tag. You can look at CSS as an adjective. It describes how elements look, such as color and different styles. JavaScript is like verbs. It defines actions, such as prompting the user or responding to events. So these are the three core languages that any web developer needs to learn or know. For example, on a website, the structure is created using HTML. The layout and the design are done using CSS, and any interaction you perform, like signing up or filling out a form, is handled using JavaScript. For example, if I click here to sign up, you can see if you type in your name or anything here and you sign up, the interaction is created using JavaScript. In this video, I introduced you to the three core languages that anyone intending to be a web developer needs to know. Thanks for watching and bye for now. What's up, guys? On this channel we are all about coding, cool tech unboxings, and mastering AI tools that can level up your productivity. If that sounds like your kind of content, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this.